Alright, this will probably be the highlight of our trip and probably the highlight of my life. We are going on a helicopter tour over Manhattan. This should be good. Okay, we're still just in the hangar, but still, this is pretty cool. I'm very much looking forward to what is about to happen.
Left side again now, looking downtown. You'll get another opportunity to look in.
Alright, that was absolutely 100% amazing. Like, that was so... Oh my gosh. That was incredible. Alright, that was incredible. My mind has been blown. That was amazing. That was so cool. Okay, so we have about an hour till dinner. I'm gonna try to edit a few photos, and then me and Raj are going to Blue Smoke for dinner. But yeah, want to get a photo or something up on Instagram before we head out for dinner. Wow, like my adrenaline is right like that. No word.